Welcome back to my prep room here at Cold Hands Studio. I have another tutorial for y'all. Today I'm going to be highlighting a product called Mortisan. You're going to have really dry and So, cleaning your embalming tools. Being a funeral home manager and a trade embalmer at different points in my career, I have struggled with the fact that most funeral homes and prep rooms seem to have maybe one or two embalmers that don't clean the tools before putting them into the sanitizer. So that's what my tutorial is going to be on today. I'm going to be highlighting a particular product, but also just kind of teaching you guys how to sanitize your embalming tools properly and how to make your disinfectant last longer. So first of all, you see this nice tray that I have right here? I have all of my embalming tools soaking in there. I really wish that I would have left all of these tools nice and grimy the way they were beforehand to show you the difference, but I didn't. They're shining like new. Look at that. And really, it only took a little bit of time. First things first, what you want to do when you're done embalming and you're using your tools, many people will just toss them right into the sanitizing dish. That's really kind of a no-no. What you want to do is you want to use an antibacterial soap. I have this particular soap right here that I use in my prep room, but you can really use whatever antibacterial soap that you have. And basically just take them over to the sink. I use a sponge, like a little scrubby like this, and I'll walk over, scrub them in the sink with water and antibacterial soap, get them nice and clean. After that, if there is a little bit of gunk still on there, I'll go through with the toothbrush and, scrub that junk off a little bit. Once I've done that, I rinse my tools and I'm going to set them to dry. Is it okay to just put them straight into the sanitizing dish? Sure, it's okay. But if you really want to do it the right way, you'll let all your tools dry before you actually disinfect and sanitize them. So you're going to go ahead, place your tools in there. This is a really easy tip. It's not only going to save you money, but you're going to make the embalmer that you work with that comes behind you after you've done your job really happy, because they're going to have a whole new set of like nice, clean, sanitized tools. There's many products out there that you can use. I particularly like this one. It just really does the job. So I don't know, you guys try it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the tutorial. Let me know how you sanitize your tools. Until next time, happy embalming.